Alright, look, I shuffle these cards, maybe like this, and now spectator take any cards. Maybe like this, it's really free, you take really any cards. Remember, your cards here, and now your cards put in her really random position, maybe like this, why not, and squeeze. And now I shuffle these cards, maybe like this, maybe shuffle like this, it's really anyway. And now I take 5 your cards, maybe your cards 6 of diamonds, maybe your cards this, maybe this, maybe this, maybe this, and maybe your cards this, yes, alright, look, I take 5 cards. Queen of hearts, Jack of spades, 8 of spades, 5 of clubs, Queen of diamonds. Please take your hand. And now I take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. I think your cards, yes, maybe your cards King of diamonds, look. Your King of diamonds put in her like this is 4 cards, and now King of diamonds, poof, vanish. It's really amazing because your cards teleports, it's my right pocket. Wow, it's really unbelievable. And now, step number 2, I show 4 aces. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really nice invisible switch, invisible card teleports, invisible change. It's really nice routine. So okay, please subscribe to my channel, liking this video right now, maybe share this video your friend magician, why not? Let's go! So first thing, you make a little setup. You take 4 ace, ace of clubs, ace of hearts, ace of spades, and ace of diamonds. And take 1 cards, maybe queen of diamonds, why not? And of course take queen of diamonds duplicate, right? Queen of diamonds put in your right pocket. This is your teleport. This king of diamonds put in her like this, and deal 1 by 1 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. This king of diamonds put in her like this, and this pile drop it like this. And next step, you take this 4 ace and take 5 random cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now these 5 cards put in her like this. Like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. It's really easy setup. Look, random cards, ace, random ace, random ace, random ace, random ace, random ace, random ace. Alright, so this pile maybe put in her like this. It's really centered. This is your setup. This is 4 cards and 5. This is king of diamonds and 1 king of diamonds. Your right pocket like this. Alright, it's really easy. The next step, you make any full shuffle, any full cut. You maybe you make a triple cut. Why not? Look, you make a swing cut, you make a swing cut, make a swing cut. Of course, you control it full deck. Look, I repeat, make a swing cut, and now this pile takes this finger, and now use this hand, take this 2 pile, and this pile drop it like this. It's really easy. Look. It's really unbelievable easy false cut. I repeat, alright. So next step, spectator take any cards. It's really free, it's not force. Maybe 5, 7, 10, 12, it's really any cards. Maybe cut like this. And next step, you force it your queen of diamonds. Look, you make a spread 4 cards, and now this 5 cards is queen of diamonds. Look, you make a move it like this. Make a spread and take this queen of diamonds, move it like this. Your queen of diamonds, cool it this bottom pile like this. And make a spread and of course squeeze. And now your cards, queen of diamonds here. It's really easy, it's really nice card force. I repeat, take any cards like this, it's really free. Make a spread 4 cards. Take this queen of diamonds. Move it like this, make a spread, it's really free, it's really no force, it's really no crimp, no breaks, makes, it's really free. And remember these cards, alright? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now this is your queen of diamonds, like this. Alright, I repeat. Alright, I repeat. Take any cards, make a spread, take these 5 cards, move it like this. It's really easy move. Look, your queen of diamonds. I repeat. Alright, make a spread and squeeze. And now spectator, remember this card. This is queen of diamonds. The next step, you take this queen of diamonds. It's really any position in this deck. It's really anywhere. The next step you make a repeat, maybe triple cut, maybe like this, and maybe like this. It's really anywhere full shuffle, right? Look, look 1, this pile 2, 3. I repeat, zhik, zhik, zhik. It's really easy. False shuffle. Right. The next step, turn over this pile, and now you search your ace. This is not ace, not ace, not ace. This is queen. Alright. Take ace number 1. Ace number 1, and now you take these cards. Ace number 2, you take these cards, take these cards, take these cards, and now you take this, search your queen, move it like this, and now you take this queen like this. And of course, your setup look like this. Random ace, random ace, random ace, random ace, random queen. This is your card, queen of diamonds. Alright. It's really easy. The next step, you make a fun and spectator search, spectator look these cards. This is 9 of clubs, 10 of hearts, 5 of spades, queen of hearts, queen of diamonds. And now you squeeze these 5 cards, and now you make a switch. It's really nice switch. Because you use this finger, squeeze these cards, and now you turn over this your left hand like this, and for ace, production like this. Alright, I repeat. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards, really random card. Show it these 5 cards, squeeze. And now your left hand, this finger, squeeze these cards, and your left hand turn over like this. It's really, really nice card switch. 10, 5, queen, queen. 5 cards. This is 1 card, maybe yo. Look, this is your cards. Yes, please take your card, take your hand, I'm sorry. Make a switch. Take this 4 cards. This is for ace. This pile, drop it like this, and now you deal 1 by 1 5 cards. Look, you take 1 card, 2 cards, 3, now this 1, and now you take this ace like this 5. The next step, you take any ace, maybe here, and look this ace, and name card spectator. Queen of diamonds, yes, is your cards. The next step, you make a vanish. You take this any ace, and now you move it like this. You take these cards, and now you make your right hand cover these cards, take these cards like this, and of course your left hand squeeze these cards, and this drop it for ace like this. And of course spectator think your card here, right? I repeat, maybe your card, queen of diamonds, yes, look, zhik, squeeze, take this hand, your table, drop it 1, 2, 3, 4, it's really 4 cards. Shake it, snap your finger, your cards vanish. Of course, you take this queen of diamonds, this teleports, really cool. Now snap your finger, and now this for ace. It's really easy, it's really cool, it's really unbelievable card tricks. Thank you for watching my video, see you later.